In this video, I'm showing you how to receive money on PayPal. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. So overall, in this tutorial, I'm showing you the full process of going and receiving money on PayPal and a few different ways of being able to do that. So any further ado, let's go and jump into that video. I'm now on my PayPal, as you can see, and let's go and continue with this. Now the first thing you need to do, because before you actually get money, you need to make sure you can go and either get it to your bank account or spend it again. Now if you want to get it to your bank account, you need to connect a bank account to your PayPal account. To do this, all you want to do is come to the top and click wallet and wait for it to load, and as you can see, you can then go and link a bank or link a card. To go and withdraw it to an account, you need to have in a bank, but you can also just spend it on PayPal as well if you'd rather keep it in your PayPal account. Now another quick note is as well, if it's large sums of money, PayPal are going to want verification. Now this can be annoying, but if it's just a small amount, you'll be fine and you won't need verification, but if you start getting thousands of pounds, you are going to have to get verification. There are a few of the main points I wanted to get out of the way, but now I want to show you the first method of going and getting PayPal money. Now, to go and receive PayPal money, the first way I recommend is actually using your email address. So the person who's sending you money will click on send and receive and type in your email, which is connected to your PayPal account, and then it's going to come to your PayPal account. Now another way of going and receiving money, which is even easier than having an email, is all you want to do is come up to the top right of PayPal where you see this sort of settings cog, and all you want to do is click on the settings cog, wait for it to load, and it's going to take a minute, and then all you want to do is click get paypal.me. PayPal.me is essentially, it's a web page on PayPal, which is where people can send you money. So you just send them this link, which you click by creating get paypal.me. I'm going to create paypal.me link, and you can add a photo, you can add a name. So you choose a link, click next, and then you can go and review that. I've agreed to it. And then you're going to have this page where it's paypal.me / your username, and then people can go and get money there. I'll go and show you that now. As you can see, I now have this paypal.me link. And when someone comes to this page, it's going to look like this. So all you need to do is have the person who's sending you the money to paste this link in. It's going to load you to the paypal.me page, and then they can go and send you money, or they can go and request money off you. So yeah, that is today's video. If you found it helpful, please go down below and subscribe for more content, leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.